Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are good. Yeah, so today I want to show you the entire process. I want to buy a new solar system for powering the studio. So yeah, we are going to start this vlog from now up to the time when you get to the shopping, the type of solar that you're gonna choose, as well as my journey from here, the Ruwa studio, up to the time that I come back. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this vlog as much as I'm enjoying creating it for you. And there you see, that's Jelly Boss. Jelly Boss.
Fundy session. Right,
yes, sir.
Now. So nice to install a new solar system, guys. Achacheme tabuka. So bese vai double laminatewa, printirwa, photo shooting, zvese ma instant photo ipapo nekuti tabuka ravapo. Big up on yourself.
Yes sir guys, machines were mega. Jelly Boss achitaura saka vaya vaichema for those people who are Ruwa residents vanouya ku photo studios, those people who want our services. Guys, ane unlimited power because we have made this a resolution. Yeah, so apart from the solar system that we've been using, we've been also using this generator that you are seeing right here. So this is the one that we have been using for a while. So our solar system has been just a supplemental of what we were already doing. So guys, I'm happy you've been supporting us. This vlog is gonna be an exciting one. Yeah, let's enjoy the journey with Decent.
So to those who know Ruwa, this is along Tarisa in Mutare Road, the intersection, the T-junction. Yeah, where you see far left you call Ndokune Musika uko Muskamombe. And right now the next one Tapama robots manje tukufamba. Yeah, so we are just going to find transport there in Ngechenda town. That's where we are right now. Pama robots up home. Now I will cross my robots so that you can find the transport. Yes. So right now, guys, Tamo Mkombi, as you can see, how Mkombi just knocked Mkombi. You can't really feel Mshaganaka. So that's my face out there. Apo tapinda mtown redu, ndakupinda mtown ndakufamba. This is pana Robert Mugabe. Yes, so apana Cameroon now. This is along Cameroon way. You see downtown co item home. Yes, sakatapina mshop macho. Takona masola akawanta, guys, a lot of solars. So the one we want to have is a 450 watts. So I found this. He is a very loving person and a very good at customer care. He really helped us to get the perfect equipment and perfect solar system for our studio. Apo ndawana mfesa nita shawani watu kubatsire kutakura.
Oh guys, tasvika tadzoka ku studio ne solar. So ndakuda kubvisa box kuti unboxing yacho tuone kuti how is it nice. So as you can see in the video, this is a 450 watt solar that you're gonna be using to power our studio. So I'm happy you guys have been watching up to this level. It's something that is so exciting, and I'm so happy that you are supporting us. So we no longer having challenges of power and everything that you guys have been saying. Thank you so much for this one. Let's meet in the next one. Bye for now.